Hi, so we're going to look at today's number, that package. I do have one of the pages up on the whiteboard here, so I'm going to do an example of it. And again, these don't have to be done all at once. Work slowly, page here, page there, no sit down and do it for an hour kind of thing, okay? So we haven't done this one, but it's all things we've done just combined into one. All right, so I'm going to turn this and hopefully you can see what I'm going to do. Here we go. All right, so here I've got the number 12. Each page has a number up in the top corner, okay? So it says write the number in a different way. Well, I could do tens and ones, I could use digiblocks, I could use money. I think I'm going to do tens and ones. So I'm going to do rods and units. So again, we can just use lines and dots for this, okay? So I've got one group of 10 and two ones. Move this closer, see if you can see it a little bit better. Okay. Then you have to circle. Is it odd or is it even? Well, I know that my even numbers whoops, that's not a whiteboard marker, boys and girls. Whoops. Let's try to get that off there. I'll do it after. So, even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? Odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, do this again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Even numbers, odd numbers, right? Tilt that up there a bit. So if I'm looking at this, always look at the ones place value. Well, it's a 2. Well, 2 is an even number, so I'm going to circle even. All right? Word form. You have to write it out in word form. Bravest spelling. 12. Well, I know it starts with T. 12. There we go. I'm going to write it in word form. Then I am going to look over here. One more. Well, I'm going to count on. One more is 13. Always go back to your original number. 12 take away 1 is 11. 10 more. So I don't have to change the ones place value because it's only asking for 10 more. See, when it was 1 more, 1 less, I had to change the ones or the units. Tens, I just have to change this place value. 10 more, so 12 plus 10 is 22. 10 less, same thing. Just looking at that 10's place value. 12 take away 10, 2. 100 more. Boys and girls, you don't even have to change your number. You're just putting 100 more. So we're adding a place value, 100. Oh, there's my number, 12. Well, I have 12. I can't have 100 less of 12, can I? No. So I'm just going to put a line through it, just like that, okay? Now I'm going to look here. How many ones, how many tens, how many hundreds? Just place value, all right? So I'm going to look at my ones up here, and I'm going to write that number. I've got 2 groups of 1. How many groups of 10? 1 group of 10. I don't have any hundreds. I've only got 2 of them, so I can leave that blank. Expanded form. Remember, this is where each one gets its place, each place value. So it's going to tell us right above here, just another way of writing it. So 1 group of 10 is 10, plus 2 units is 2. 10 plus 2 is our expanded form for the number 12. All right, I'm going to do one more. We'll do the number 3. Really quick here. Hopefully you can see it. There we go. Same thing. Well, I'm going to write it with 1, 2, 3. There's my units. Is it odd or even? I can go back up here. Oh, number 3 is odd. I'm going to circle that. Okay. 1 more, counting on, 4. 1 less, counting backwards, 2. 10 more. I don't have to change that place value because there's just the one there. So 10 plus 3 is 13. 10 less. I can't do 10 less because there's only one place value. So I'm just going to put a line here. 100 more. Well, I know that I'm going to start with the 100, but there's no tens place value in this number. So I'm just going to have to put 0 because there aren't any in that number. And then how many units? 3. So 100 plus 3, 103. And I can't do 100 less. So I'm just going to put a line through it. Same thing, we're going to jump over here. Word form, I'm going to write the number 3, that TH blend. 3. Okay. How many units? No tens, no hundreds. Leave them blank. Expanded form. Now this is interesting. Each place value has to have a spot, right? Well, I've got 3. How can I write it with an equation? Well, I don't have any tens, so I could put 0 plus 3. If I put 3 plus 0, that would not be correct because I'm adding another place value over here. 3 has to be the last place value because it's units, right? Your units is always the last number. So my expanded form equation for the number 3, 0 plus 3. All right. So that's how those pages look. Again, take your time. Don't rush through them. You know, when you get up in the morning having breakfast, do one. Maybe have a little snack in the afternoon, do another one. Don't have to do them all at once. Take your time. You've got lots of time, boys and girls, all right? Any questions, again, email me and I can help you out. Thanks.